Major story happening today. North Carolina Governor Roy Cooper is expected to discuss whether we can move into phase 3 on Friday. We also expect him to talk about the possibility of a statewide mask mandate. His news conference is set for 3 o'clock this afternoon, and we'll bring that to you live when it happens and on our WSOC TV News app. Now, even if the governor doesn't issue a mask mandate today, Mecklenburg County leaders are now taking steps in that direction.
Yeah, it would be a welcome guidance for business owners who, until now, they've had to make and enforce their own rules. Eyewitness News reporter Gina Esposito is live for us in Dilworth with more on this proposal. Gina?
Yeah, this morning, Mecklenburg County leaders will start working on a proposal that would require face masks regardless of what the governor decides. It's important to note that proposal still needs to be written and signed. There are several cities and towns in Mecklenburg County that are on board with the mask mandate. In a tweet, Charlotte Mayor Vi Lyles asked North Carolina's governor for a statewide mask requirement. She went on to say, protecting the public health of our residents is a must-do for those of us in positions to make this happen. Last night, Mecklenburg County commissioners voted 7-2 to move forward with a proposal to require masks in public.
We got different concerns. We have a very dense population, and it's just different. So I would expect that our rule would be more restrictive.
Several businesses like KLA Boutique off Park Road are already requiring masks before you step into their store. Others like 704 Shop and South End say they haven't had to make a rule yet.
As far as I've seen, people have been wearing masks to my store. Outside of the store, it's been on and off. So if the mandate comes, it's going to be interesting to see actually what happens around here.
Now, Governor Roy Cooper says he hasn't made a mask mandate yet because there's about 12 different ways to write a law about it. He says it has to be specific or it just won't work. Again, we're expecting an announcement from him today, and we'll be following that very closely.
Yeah, a lot of people interested in to see what he'll say today at 3 o'clock, so we'll keep an eye on that. It'll be interesting to see how this is enforced. Gina Esposito live for us. Several cities and counties across North Carolina have either mandated masks already or they support one. Raleigh, Durham, Greensboro, and Boone, they already have passed an ordinance. Matthews, Winston-Salem, and Charlotte, of course, expressing support for a statewide mandate. Whether it's required or not, when you do wear a mask, it's important to make sure it is effective. The Cleveland Clinic says it should be made with multiple layers of fabric, so the thicker the better. It should rest under your chin and sit on the bridge of your nose. It should also secure around your ears with either straps or ties. And you should be able to breathe easily when you wear it. Now, if it's cloth, you should be able to wash it and do that regularly, just like you would with clothing.